Hello, my name is Baron, and this is my second requirement for my cooking proficiency badge. For this requirement, I'm going to make a Thai 3-course meal. The first course, which is an appetizer, is som tam, also known as papaya salad. For my second course, I'm going to make a pat kalampi, which is stir-fried cabbage and soya sauce. And I'm going to make Thai basil chicken, which is also known as rapao kai. For my dessert, I'm going to make doi buachi, which is banana covered in coconut milk. The following video shows you how I made all those dishes. I hope you enjoy. The first step you have to do is peel 1 whole raw papaya and 1 whole raw mango. When peeling the papaya and mango, please peel until done. Then cut some garlic, chili, tomato, and pound it into one. I pounded the tomato first. Then I added chili and garlic. Make sure you're careful. Then add just a little salt and some lemon with the zest in it. Make sure, because it's very important to add the zest. Then mash it all up and add the peanuts. Then also mash it and then mix it into a bowl. Then start cutting the cabbage, slice the cabbage and put it in a plate. Make sure that they are squared. Then done with that, you put coconut milk in a pot and cut 2 bananas, and then in half, then half again, then in half again. Then when the mixture of coconut milk is at a nice boiling temperature, you start to put the bananas in. Make sure you do not pour the milk out, and make sure the whole banana is covered in there. When the bananas start turning brown, turn off the heat immediately and start placing it into a bowl. If you're not eating until later, please cover it with a cover so nothing can get to it and the bananas don't spoil. These are raw bananas. Please make sure they're also not mashed. Then add some oil to the pan and heat the pan up. And then quickly finely chop some garlic and add that into the pan. Make sure make sure that you put the garlic down, and make sure when you drain the cabbage, make sure if you're draining on the plate, do not pour the plate, and the water could hurt you if it touches the oil. Make sure all the garlic is put inside the pan. Then you start waiting until it's brown, and then you get to cooking the cabbage. Do not remove with hand or with spoon. Just pour it inside, like with the thing, and start stir frying just immediately. Make a stir fry, and make sure they're all cut into small pieces so it doesn't take a long time to cook them. Then add some sugar. That means some soy sauce. 1 tablespoon only, mind you. Soy sauce could ruin the taste. Make sure no overspills happen. And now add half, then for sugar. Every Thai dish has sugar, mind you. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Make sure you don't add too much or too little, otherwise it can ruin the taste also. Then add a couple dashes of white pepper. Please use a pepper shaker. Buy it with the pepper shaker. Then start mixing it go around and overturn it. And make sure they're brown. Then stop and put it in the bowl, and then start heating up and get ready for the chicken. You first slice the chicken, and then you put the chicken. You put the oil inside, and wait for the pan to heat up properly. Also then put some garlic and 1 green chili. Everything has spiciness. Please do not waste any chili or garlic because this is very important for this dish. After you do that, you put the do not use your hands like I just nearly did, or use a spoon. Just pour it in, and then immediately start stir frying because you don't want the chicken to stick. Otherwise, if the chicken sticks, it's going to be terrible. Hold on to the pan handle whilst you do that, and then wait until it's starting to turn white. That means it's starting to cook. Now add 1 tablespoon of normal soy sauce. Make that 2 tablespoons actually. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, because this one's a lot more than we use in the cabbage. Then like last time, half a teaspoon of sugar. Do it quickly, and one more thing you need to do is the dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce will give a nice, good taste to it. So about a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. You're done with the seasoning for now. Then after you add the dark soy sauce, start stir frying the chicken, and get till it's cooked, till it's fully cooked. Do the same method. Now after this, you must add the holy basil. You can use sweet basil in this, but it's very important if you find holy basil. You have to use all of it. It's very rare in Singapore. And now you're done with your dish. Plate it and you're done.